Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a Bosch Silence Plus dishwasher. In this easy tutorial, I'll be going over the basic steps for using a dishwasher like this. As you can see, this is the Bosch Silence Plus. This is specifically the Silence Plus 42 dBA, okay? Now I'm going to be demonstrating the process with this specific dishwasher. But if you have a different version of the Silence Plus, it's probably going to be the same process or very similar. So you can probably take this information and apply it to your own dishwasher, either identically or with a little bit of changes as well, with slight manipulation as well. Okay, so very simply put, you're going to load your dishwasher first, okay? Load up the dishwasher, which I've already done to save you some time, okay, in watching me do that. Then you're going to want to take either your detergent or your dishwasher pod. You're going to want to place it inside of the appropriate tray. So right here, as you can see, it says right here, dishwasher detergent only, which this pod, as far as I know, qualifies as detergent. And then this is here for designed for best drying with rinse aid. So if you're going to add rinse aid, you're going to add it in there. But the pod or the detergent, whatever you're using, goes in that little slot right over there. You're going to close it and make sure it stays closed, okay? Just like that, because there's a little button here that if you push this button when you're closing it, it's going to pop back open. So close it and make sure that it stays closed, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your control panel. Now, this one has the control panel at the top. If yours has the control panel at the front, then you can close the tray, and then you can deal with the control panel when the tray is closed. But it's going to be the same type of options for the most part. So these buttons are kind of faded over here, but over here you have your power button, and over here you have your start, okay, and reset over here. It's sort of a combo button. You can reset it by holding it down for 3 seconds. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the dishwasher on right there. Okay, now as you can see, it's telling us if we want to add rinse aid, we can add the rinse aid, but you can choose your cycle. Okay, auto is going to automatically, do the dishes for you, which is the cycle that I mainly use. I use auto pretty much every single time. And then you can choose your option. So if you want a different option, you could choose delay, speed perfect, half load, delicate, or sanitize. And with regards to cycles, you can choose to do a heavy cycle, which is for more dishes in there. Auto, which is, automatically going to work for most dishes, basically. Glass, which is very specifically for glass fragile things. Normal, which is going to give you the normal mode. Express, which is a little bit of a faster wash. Not as thorough, a little bit faster. And then rinse, which is just going to rinse the dishes. So choose the one that you want, okay? Now I want auto. So when you've chosen the cycle that you want to press the start button over here, okay? So you're going to press the start button right here, okay? So once again, I'm going to try that. Hold it down. I apologize, not press it. Hold it down, okay? Now, if you want to reset it, you can then press and hold that down. When you hold it down the first time, it's going to set it. So now you can see it's not flashing anymore, so it has been set. I'm going to just bring this up, and you're going to see one of the coolest features. So if you have a front controlled machine, you'd push the start button. But if you have a top controller, you just close it. And it's now beginning. And I'll show you one of the coolest things. Take a look right there. Take a look at that. Take a look right there. It's actually displaying on the ground. Let me move my kid's toy out of there. So as you can see, it's actually displaying on the ground. I have young kids, so the kitchen is an absolute mess. There's always toys everywhere. But they explore, they discover, they play, and the toys get everywhere. So as you can see right there, it's displaying the time that's left. It's showing the Bosch symbol right there. I believe that's, I actually don't know if that's the Bosch symbol or not, but another symbol. And it's giving you a bar that shows you the progress on the bottom. So that's it. Now, I just have to wait until it's done. And I will say the Silence Plus is an extremely quiet dishwasher. It's unbelievably quiet, to the point where you will barely even know that it's on. It's that quiet. But that's it. That is how to use a Bosch Silence Plus dishwasher. Easy to do in this simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.